All right, we're gonna do a little test. I got about an 8-pound brick. Let's see how she does. We'll set the phone. Well, hell, I'll just hold it. See what it does. Definitely hear the motors putting a lot more effort in, a lot more air. Got a battery warning. My setup's not it's not dialed in enough yet to pick up that kind of weight, but it definitely worked. Once I get the batteries corrected and feeding in the proper way, I believe it's a battery warning. Let's see. No.
Pre-arm.
Battery fail safe. So detect the battery voltage going too low. So it's not producing the amperage that it needs to. But hey, it's a start.